Where are your little fellas?
They're in the front seat.
What the hell?
That's why I was up there to the window.
We're gonna install those little door handles. So let's see what we're f***ing switching here. This dude to this dude. This is kind of nice.
Very big dog.
Yeah, dog. Hurry up with it.
Here comes the fun part.
Should be. So let's make sure gasket on there. Let's see how getting this part lined up is the fun part. I mean, it's not the worst thing, but it's just
You just have to sit it in the hole and then put it in.
yeah, you just kind of have to see what you're doing.
Yes, sir.
So get that lip over there, and
That's it.
so far this shit's looking mint.
Does look nice.
Okay, I'm still nervous about this part though. I just want to make sure it's not top heavy. And then we'll make sure they both go in. We'll check to make sure the fitment on the door is correct before super tightening them.
Looks good.
What's in there?
Yeah.
Dude, this is already looking way better.
Oh yeah.
And we're not gonna go super hard.
Just tighten them down.
Just enough to make sure they're locked down.
Yes.
Sweet. All right, make sure it works, homeboy.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, and this is the one that didn't work,
Yeah,
or the driver.
This one doesn't work. That
Sweet. So let's put the cover back on. All right, here. Watch this, because the bit might fall out. It's just kind of held in there, but yeah, just zip this in.
Bam.
Yes, sir. All right, let's do it to the other side, baby. You haven't had the side off yet. Be careful then, bud.
Get off one side at a time.
I'm gonna hold on. I'm not gonna film this part so that I'll be able to help you catch this so it doesn't fall down and then we're in a pickle. So pretty much the only thing different with this one has the lock actuator. So we just got to zip this off, and we should just transfer this to the other one. So that should be the 10.
Let's take it off.
And then you just got to be careful about the linkage also. Or actually, no, we don't even have to.
Is a screw?
As long as you pull this out,
Yeah.
we can just leave this in the door as long as it doesn't sit in a one of those couplings. Yeah, okay.
There she is.
So Brian and I will transfer this real quick, and then we'll come back on the install and pretty much wrap it up from there. All right, test number 2. All right, make sure it opens. Oh no, did we fuck up? Check the lock.
There you go.
Man. Nice.
Good shit.
So let's just put that little cover on and we're done. Your interior kind of reminds me of like a Ferrari.
It is.
What? Sick. Hell yeah, let's put it on bags now. That does look clean, dude. Honestly, the way it kind of like flows with your wheels looks so much better than the silver.
Right.
Hell yeah. Oh, almost killed myself straight into the Lexus.